Alright guys, so I'm Dan. So after a pretty disappointing pull of this, unboxing of this Flair 92 basketball cards, today we are looking at the 1990 set right here, okay? This set is actually pretty hard to come by. I got it off eBay and yes, this set, it's pretty epic. We are definitely going to look for, the Jordan. Yeah, as you guys know, I'm a huge David Robinson fan, but I already have quite a number of this 1990 set right here for David Robinson, so I won't be looking to pull more David Robinson, but of course, if you're able to get like a PSA 10, that would be pretty cool. Alright, so let's get this going. So you can see, the packaging looks very classic. 5th anniversary edition. Beautiful pack right here. So let's open this. Wow. And I know that the 1989 Flair packs actually contain a pack of gum, if I'm not wrong. Or was it like earlier? I'm not too sure. So pretty excited about opening this. Lasell Thompson, Ed Pinckney, Kurt Rambis, Gerald Wilkins, Isaiah Thomas, very nice. This is basically a Hall of Famer. Okay, Danny Young, James Worthy. Perhaps we can keep James Worthy as well. Mike Brown, Eric Floyd, Cliff Levingston, Sir Charles. Beautiful card. There's a spot right here, and you can see the centering is a little bit off. It's very hard to get a perfect 10 out of these cards. Jeff Hornacek, this is the basically Phoenix Suns old logo. I'm gonna keep a pack of this in like a little protector. I won't be opening all 36 packs. I'm gonna keep one pack for future. Okay, let's see. James Worthy again. Will Purdue. Oh, we've got a very nice all-star card of Charles Barkley, but the centering is actually very bad. You can see the rim is actually touching the side, but beautiful card. This is an awesome card. These cards are just so beautiful. Reggie Theus, Chris Morris, J.R. Reed, Bernard King. Is this J.R. Reed rookie card? Let's see. Second year card. Ken Norman. We've got Chris Mullin, Hall of Famer, great shooter. Nice. Derek Smith. The checklist. Yes, we are looking to get Michael Jordan. John Stockton, Hall of Famer. Yes. Wow. Okay, there's a bit of can feel there's something behind it. Yep. John Stockton, Hall of Famer, great passer of the ball, but he's actually not very well known for, he's actually very good when it comes to his defensive abilities as well. He's really good in steals. Okay, let's see what this is. Danny Young. Chris Morris, J.R. Reed, Bernard King, Ken Norman. We've got the exact same pack again. Dan Chase, John Stockton again. Nice. These cards are really beautiful, very classic looking. Isaiah Thomas. We've got quite a number of duplicates so far. Okay, let's see whether we are able to see who is actually on the cover. Yeah, you might be able to see. It's not very clear. This cards open very, very easily, unlike the 92 packs. They no longer make cards of such quality. Such kind of texture. Bill Laimbeer, a kind of he used to be known as quite a dirty player. Nice, Michael Jordan, and guess what? This is beautifully scented, guys. Gorgeous. It's a bit of white dots on it, but this is, apart from that, I think this card is just Amazing. Beautifully centered. The corners are sharp. Okay, maybe the top to the left is slightly off. Just trying to brush off the little dust. Very nice texture, you can see. Beautiful. We are so lucky to be able to get Jordan on you know, only like the 3rd or 4th pack. Beautiful card. Gorgeous. So we might have a chance of getting 2 of this Michael Jordans. I feel this it's a PSA 9 at least. Yeah. A possible PSA 10 candidate, I would say. Very close to 10. Okay, let me just sleeve this. Put this into the top loader. Gorgeous. Very happy with it. Harrison Presley, Ron Kelly, Larry Nance, nice. David Robinson. Quite nicely centered, I would say. Except from the left to right is not very good. Derek Harper. League leaders, fewest turnovers. Traded to Dallas. Beautiful cards. So far, very good. And you can see I've actually placed some of the Michael Jordan's cards behind, so that probably brought some good luck. Yep. So let's continue. Dan Marley. Tony Campbell. Sam Bowie. Rex Chapman. Winston Garland. Tim Hardaway. Hall of Famer, I think. Very well known for his crossover dribbles. Hakeem Olajuwon, the dream. Very nice. Beautiful. Spot Webb, 5'7", incredible leaping ability. His vertical jump is incredible. He can actually dunk. Okay, should we keep him? Yeah, I kind of like him. Let's just display him in our binder as well. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Kevin McHale. I think he's a Hall of Famer if I'm not wrong. Alright, these 90 cards are just so nostalgic. Okay, let's see what else we've got. George McCloud, Dennis Johnson, Jeff Hornacek, Patrick Ewing, his fadeaway jumper, you know, is very good. So we have 2 Hall of Famers back to back. Joe Dumars, Kevin Duckworth, Vlade Divac, great player as well. Bill Cartwright, the center of our Chicago Bulls. Antoine Karl, Craig Allo. Gorgeous cards. These cards are just gorgeous. Got Charles Barkley at the back. Okay. But there's a bit of you know, like a bit of glue behind. Del Curry, who's the father of Steph Curry. Great shooter, but not as great as Steph. Ron Harper. Otis Top, Dominic Wilkins. Definitely displaying him. Detlef Schrempf. Got a nice all-star of Patrick Ewing. This one actually is seems to be pretty nicely centered. No, not a back. The back's pretty bad. Mike Brown. Eric Floyd. Cliff Livingston. Okay. James Edwards. Horace Grant. Okay, maybe we can display him as well. Terry Cummings. So my hands are a little bit dry, which is why I'm, struggling to, move the cards. The cards are not sticking together. These cards have no glossy surface, so they won't have the problem of sticking together, of breaking. Okay, let's see. Jim Paxson, not John Paxson. Brock Williams, Lando Woolrich, John Paxson. I'll keep him. Wow, this one is a paint. There's a printing error. This is Malone. Reggie Miller, Hall of Famer, great shooter. Mark Jackson. Okay, but done with the first stack. On to the second one. Manute Bol, 7'7", father of Bobo. Chuck Person, Tim Perry, Trent Trucker, Dennis Rodman, 9s, one of the best rebounders ever. Stacey King. BJ Armstrong. Maybe not keeping. Willie Anderson. Rolando Blackman, Daniel Barros, Michael Adams, Nick Anderson, Mookie Baylock, Tyrone Brooks, 5'3", tenacious player, great ball handler, one of the shortest player ever to play the game, if not the shortest. Winston Garland, Tim Hardaway again, nice. Hakeem Olajuwon, beautiful. Got Spot Webb, Kevin McHale, Charles Barkley All-Star. This one is pretty nicely done, I would say, but the star is cut off on the sides. Clyde Drexler, Clyde the Glide. Yeah, he used to be pretty awesome. If I'm not wrong, he's also a Hall of Famer, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I'm actually very happy that the cards are actually in pretty good condition. Most of them are in pretty mint condition. Jay Humphries, Michael Cage, Tony Campbell. This pack is not a very good pack. The pack previously was actually pretty awesome. Kurt Rambis, Isaiah Thomas again, Danny Young, James Worthy, Will Perdue, Mike Brown, Eric Floyd. We've got Charles, Sir Charles, nice. Patrick Ewing, Hall of Famer. Joe Dumars. Wow, this pack is good. Back-to-back Hall of Famers. So I mean, just to talk about, you know, my history of collecting basketball cards. So I was basically collecting from 1990 onwards to all the way to about 1999. Then I stopped collecting for a while, and out came Wemby, and Wemby just basically brings me back. You know, cause I'm a Spurs fan, you see. So you know, with Wemby, I actually got this passion back. Because I'm a huge David Robinson fan. I've been collecting. I have like 2 full binders of his cards, and yeah. So Wemby actually makes me feel like a kid again. So I'm actually trying to collect as many of his cards as possible. But right now, you know, the prices of his cards are just going absolutely crazy. Yep, they're like super high price at the moment. You know, I just purchased a Panini national card. Oh, Larry Bird, legend. You have to sleeve him, that's for sure. You have to respect him. You know, hopefully we are able to get Magic Johnson as well. Yeah, so I was just, you know, I just purchased a card at a quite expensive price, about $1,000. Yes, I've never spent so much on cards before, but wow, guys, we've got another Jordan. Awesome. This is actually in a pretty mint condition. Yeah. Beautiful. 1990 Fleer Michael Jordan. Beautiful card. Okay. You know, should I grade them? Probably. I think I should grade Michael Jordan for sure. Pretty good. Pulling 2 Jordans is actually pretty fantastic. David Robinson, nice card. The cards are in excellent condition, which I am very, very surprised. Okay. Alright, let's see what else we've got. We'll lift up the cards. Okay, Derek Harper. This is a fantastic pack, guys. Fantastic pack. I mean, fantastic box. Sam Bowie, Rex Chapman, Liddell Echoes, Winston Garland, Tim Hardaway again, Hakeem Olajuwon, not very nicely centered. Mike Sandoz, Kevin McHale, and we've got Clyde Drexler, All-Star card. Beautiful. I may consider getting another box of this because they are just so awesome. Okay, yep. Going back to my history, so yep, I was collecting David Robinson cards. You know, back then we, Patrick Ewing, cool. You know, back then Joe Dumars, nice. You know, back then we, I wasn't very aware of keeping my cards in great condition, but I do keep them in binders and penny sleeves. But I've never thought of like putting them in like top loaders. But thankfully, a lot of my cards are still in pretty good condition, and I've actually switched them over to top loaders binder, which I'm gonna show you guys like later on. Okay, we are half done. Let's continue. Okay. Yep. So Wemby is just making me really excited about this hobby again. So I've been spending a lot of money recently on getting like packs and singles of Wemby. I spent a ton of money on Bowman, but unfortunately I wasn't able to pull a Wemby card from the Bowman U Chrome. Dominic Wilkins, nice card. It's just like dunking over. Pretty nice. These cards are just very, very cool. Very classic design. Terry Cummings at the back. He played with Spurs as well. Yep. Buck Johnson, Moses Malone, Scott Brooks, Reggie Miller. Yeah, Reggie Miller was pretty thin for a player, but he was able to find he's one of those players who was able to find, just run into positions and grab the ball and shoot very fast. His release was very fast, but not as fast as Steph Curry. James Edward. We got Horace Grant. Beautiful card as well. Kind of like confused whether I should display it in my binder. Beautiful cards. And so far our pools have been pretty good. Yeah, so very excited. Opening these packs just makes me feel like a teen again. So I'm basically like 40 this year. So kind of like old. And I'm just using my money. I haven't been spending a lot of money on cards. It's just like lately. Haven't been spending for like the past 20 decades. So I think it's fine for me to spend all this money right now. I'm kind of like rewarding myself. I find this really enjoyable. John Paxson, beautiful card. Mark Eaton, a center. Yeah, so I sort of like find this very therapeutic. When I'm just ripping these packs, it feels very good. My main objective of collecting is basically, wow, Magic Johnson. Very nice. Pretty nicely centered up apart from the top and bottom. Yep, so my objective of collecting is basically just for my own enjoyment. I'm not looking for investment, but I don't mind grading some and selling away my duplicates, but I'm not too sure whether I'm able to do it because I've never done it on eBay before, so I may try. But my objective is not really to make a profit. I don't think I can make any profit because I've been spending so much money. But yeah, Jordans, but to be honest, if I have one PSA 10, I will be keeping it for my personal collection, guys. I won't be selling it. Yeah, unless it's like a life-changing kind of money, but I don't think so. At most, it's gonna fetch like a few $100. Very cool. Steve Karl. Yes, at most it's gonna fetch a few $100 to 1,000, and that is not going to change my life. And I rather have the card than the $1,000 in my bank account, which I'm not really lacking money right now. Sean Kemp, very nice. Otis Smith, not Otis Thorpe. Tom Hammonds. Yep, base cards. So let me just stack you right up. Huge base cards. Huge stack of base cards. So yep, but of course, Wemby. I know that a lot of rookie cards, for example, like Steph Curry, LeBron James, the rookie cards are selling like mad. So I don't mind getting a few more and sell them, next time. Yeah. Karl Malone, the mailman, nice. He's a Hall of Famer, but I'm not a huge fan of him because of his off the court kind of personality is not very, very good. Which is why I love David Robinson so much. Scottie Pippen, nice. Scottie Pippen, he was actually one of my most favorite players, but after the Last Dance, there's so much controversy about him and Jordan didn't say a single thing, but Scottie Pippen was just not saying good things, not saying nice things. Clyde Drexler, guys, this pack, this box is just so awesome. It's filled with so many All-Stars and Hall of Famers. Kevin Johnson, another great player. Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to be displaying a lot of the cards. Jerome Kersey, a decent player as well. I had him in my fantasy team. Okay, let's take a look at this. Mark Price, another great shooter. 30, 40, 7, 30, 40, wait a minute. 40, 50, 90 shooter. Yep. 40 from the 3-point, 50 from the field, and 90 from the free throw. Okay, let's see what else we got. Pooh Richardson, Sam Vincent, Jeff Malone, Charles Smith, power forward. He played with Knicks as well. Mitch Richmond, great scorer, always averaging pretty big numbers. Checklist. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Manute Bol, father of Bobo. Vernon Maxwell, a role player. Kenny Smith, great shooter. Johnny Dawkins, Chuck Person, great shooter as well. He actually helped San Antonio Spurs in 1999 for the championship. Yep. Tim Perry, Trent Trucker, Rodman. You have to love his passion for rebounding. Stacey King, Billy Thompson. BJ Armstrong. You can perhaps, okay, not keeping this card, there's a bit of damage on the side. Sherman Douglas, Brett Doherty, Daniel Barrows, great shooter. Michael Adams, pretty good shooter as well. Mickey Baylock, Tyrone Brooks, Mark Z Brooks, his nickname is actually Mark Z. Yep. Was named MVP for the undefeated Baltimore Dunbar High School team. Nice. Benoit Benjamin. Okay, last pack from the third stack. I thought I saw like Michael Jordan. Got Clyde the Glide again. Michael Cooper. Pretty nice BJ Armstrong card. Very nicely centered. John Battle. Vern Fleming. Larry Bird. Legend. Okay. Morris Cheeks, Mark Aguirre, got Drexler again. You can see this stack of the cards which I'm gonna display is getting higher and higher. Okay. Bill Wennington. I remember he actually played with Bulls. Nice Scottie Pippen card, but quite badly centered to be honest. Larry Bird again. Seems like it's a pretty common card. Which means there's a possibility of us pulling 3 Jordans. Let's not be greedy, but let's be hopeful as well. Nice, mailman right at the back. Karl Malone. You know, he's actually one of the great players who have never won a ring before, like John Stockton. I don't think Patrick Ewing has won a ring before as well. Sam Perkins right at the back. Detlef Schrempf. We've got Robert Parrish, Hall of Famer. You know, these cards are just kind of like a lot of dots on it. So we're hoping to get the Michael Jordan All-Star. I think that would be pretty cool. Rodman. Stacey King. Billy Thompson, Mark Price, Rod Strickland. This is the first time I'm seeing him today. Sam Perkins. Gonna remove this stack. Dale Ellis, Tyrone Corbin, Sidney Green, Lester Connor, Del Curry, father of Steph Curry, Harvey Grant, Ron Harper, Rod Higgins. Otis Top, great power forward for the Houston Rockets. Got Dominic again. Hersey Hawkins. Okay, we are on to the last few packs. We've yet to get you know, Michael Jordan All-Star. I don't mind getting another base cut of Jordan. So let's hope for that. Okay, you can see there's no All-Star cards right here. Scott Brooks, Reggie Miller. Nice. So I think we have basically got all the base cards that we can hope for. So now we just need one more Jordan. Horace Grant. Not too sure whether Horace Grant is in the Hall of Fame. I think so. Karl Malone again. No, it's Mark Eaton. Why did I see it as Karl Malone? Sarunas Marciulionis. If I'm not wrong, this should be his rookie card. No, second year. Okay. Kevin Willis, a great center. Rick Smith, 7'4". I think it's a Swedish or a Dutch, I can't remember. Yep, Dutch. 7'4". Jim Paxson. Yep, I still remember back in my high school days, we were actually trading these cards. And yeah, everybody was just, you know, going crazy over Jordan. And I was the only one who was, you know, trading my Jordans for Robinson. Yep. Okay, we've got another Magic Johnson. Very nice. And this is decent in terms of his centering, but I think this will be like a 9 because of the top to bottom. Glenn Rice, rookie, second year. Sean Elliott, Steve Crow, Sean Kemp, beautiful card. I don't think Sean Kemp is in the Hall of Fame. Can't remember. Last two packs, guys. Hopefully you're able to get some Jordans. One more, please. One more. I think that would be fantastic. I'm definitely getting them graded for sure. Karl Malone. Scottie Pippen. We've got another Charles Barkley All-Star. Which means this is a very nice Scottie Pippen card, guys. Seems to be okay. Maybe the left is a bit off. But still pretty decent. got Barkley, Kevin Johnson, okay, last pack, guys. Any All-Star card? Nope. So our hopes for a Jordan All-Star is gone. But there's still a possibility of landing another Jordan base card. Nope. Luck is not with us. Okay, but I think it's not a bad haul, I would say. You can see we have 2 Jordan cards, and this one seems to be perfectly centered. Yep, these 2 are, I would say, yeah, especially this one right here. I would say they are candidates for PSA 10, that's for sure. Very happy. Maybe we can have a very quick look at what we are going to display in our binder. Glenn Rice, okay, maybe not. John Paxson, maybe one of it. I don't mind. Yeah, I'm just gonna sleeve all of them this stack and see how it goes, okay? Alright, thanks for watching this, guys. Yeah, let me know what other packs do you guys want me to rip. Vintage cards or, you know, the new cards. Let me know down below, okay? Thanks for watching this. Make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.